Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In this meditation, you are guided to connect so deeply with the love that lives inside of you, with the love of source energy. We call in greater openness, awareness of our connection to love energy. We focus this whole month on opening our hearts to give and receive, to feel that constant, continuous connection with source energy, to really guide our lives. We soften, we open, we relax and open just more fully to this infinite intelligence that can pour through us when we consciously invite it in. And this is a daily practice of alignment and continuous alignment. And we choose this continuous alignment. We trust that we are growing, evolving, expanding for our highest good, making our world a better place just by choosing this relationship with ourselves, by choosing to turn inward, by choosing to nurture our self-awareness through writing and expressing. So I hope you enjoy this meditation and your writing practice. Let's jump into our meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and when you feel ready, turn your outer gaze inward. We set the intention of choosing self-love in every moment. We set the intention of growing in our own brilliance. We set the intention of living in closer alignment with our highest and best self. We set the intention of tuning in to the whispers of our inner wisdom. We set the intention of deep relaxation for the purpose of opening, softening, and hearing the whispers of the divine. We say thank you for this opportunity to be here now, to connect in this way, to walk this path. We say thank you for this life. Make any adjustments you need to get comfortable in your space. Let your physical body relax deeply. Feel supported by the chair beneath you, the ground beneath you, the earth beneath you. You are fully supported. We accept this call for healing. We accept this call to heal our lives, and we step up with courage, with a sense of being brave. We step forward with trust. We know that healing requires deep inner reflection, deep release. We know that healing requires us to feel so much We have courage and we trust this process. We know that we are divinely guided to step forward, to claim our rights, our birthright, to live in our fullest, most illuminated self. Mm. Bring your awareness to the flow of energy within you. Feel your breath moving you. We can visualize our breath as love. When we breathe deeply, we love ourselves deeply. When we breathe deeply, we fill ourselves with more love. What parts of you need the most love right now? Bring your attention to physical, mental, or emotional areas within you that need the most love. Bring your inner eye to this area. Bring your breath to this area. And take a few moments to breathe deeply. Feel yourself connected to earth and sky. Invite earth energy to flow through you into your areas of most need, trusting that this earth energy knows exactly where to go for your highest good. Bring your awareness to your connection to sky energy, to source energy. Feel this flow into you. As you deeply inhale, allow the source energy to move through you into the areas of your greatest need, and trust that this energy knows exactly where to move for your highest good. Bring your awareness to your heart and take several deep breaths. For this month, this month of February, we choose to focus on opening our hearts. We are opening our hearts to receive more love, to give more love, to share with authenticity, to create closer connections with people in our lives. This month, we choose to open our hearts to grow closer to the energy of infinite intelligence, this God energy. We open our hearts to grow closer to God, to feeling connected at all times. We look toward this month ahead and we see our hearts opening, love pouring in, our constant, continuous connection with source energy, greater aliveness in every moment. This month we choose love, self-love, divine love, love for our earth, love for humanity, love for the gift of our lives. We see this path ahead in our mind's eye. We know that there may be some roadblocks along the way. You can visualize these little bumps in the road. We know that they will be there and they will come. But we trust, we know, we see that with this constant flow of love, energy, our daily practice, our continuous remembrance, we know that these roadblocks, these bumps in the road can dissolve with ease. We visualize these bumps dissolving with ease. Bring a smile to your face. Thank yourself for being here now, for showing up in this moment for you, for choosing a daily practice of turning inward. We're so blessed to have this opportunity to live, grow, and expand and become our very best selves, our brightest selves, our most aligned selves. Every moment of this life provides an opportunity to grow closer to the truth of who we are. We say thank you. We come back from this path, back to the beginning, back to the here and now, back to this present moment. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal where you can take 8 minutes or so to free write, wisdom write. Write the words of your beautiful heart onto the paper, trusting that however it looks, it is all in perfect alignment. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes for your free write opportunity, this chance to connect so deeply with yourself, nurturing the relationship with you, focusing on the love that is within us, that we are remembering, that we are opening more fully to. Feel free to leave a message and let me know about your experience with the meditation, with your writing, and feel free to join us on Sunday evenings at 6 p.m. Mountain Time live on Zoom. Just leave a message and I'd be happy to get you connected with our link for live Sundays.